we long for God. We long for relationship and fellowship with others. Therefore, we may belong to some community, movement, or group. Being a Christian means living in community. However, we face one danger. We are so good in the community that we don't see others around. Like the Good Samaritan, a Christian believes in God, lives in communion with others, and also serves them. If I am not serving others, my Christianity is superficial and based only on emotions, not on the gospel of Jesus Christ.